Perfect. Here we are today at the Community Arts Center in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. We're shooting Bad Habits for Strange Love, our second single. So I'm gonna start getting set up here. Let's get to it. Just showing everything, and then we'll come up close. We'll get all
from up there too?
I'm shooting from everywhere.
You're gonna be on the ceiling?
Everywhere.
Now it's good. We just shot a bunch of wide stuff in the actual auditorium. Now we're going to shoot all the tight individual shots. And then we're going to tear down here and we're going to move to the other locations inside the building. Right now I'm just switching to my rig from my Ronin. For the wide shots I like to do a lot of movement and just wide action, and for the tight shots individually I like to go on this handheld rig because it lets me do controlled movement with it. It's not all about the gimbal. My first gimbal back in 2015. I made it myself, took about a month to set up and get running. Worked for about a year, was decent, and then it just broke at a wedding randomly. Yeah, it wasn't good. But we made it through, and then I bought the Ronin and haven't looked back, except for I want a movie, so.
I can't take all the suppression now. All you've been doing is building up tension. I'm breaking it down, yeah, now I've learned my lesson. You pushed all my limits, I'm through with the testing. You keep looking up at me shameless. Baby, you're still the one who is nameless. So let me say this, you hate that I figured you out. Watching my back while you're watching your mouth. There's no excuse for discussing it now. All these excuses aren't what I'm about, yeah.
Hello, party people. So we just finished up the shoot with Strange Love for their next single, which is Shameless. We used the stage earlier for the performance stuff, and then we kind of worked our way through the entrance foyer area and up the stairs and in the hallways. Just kind of has that gothic theme, which is really a cool look throughout for this. Messed around with a bunch of different lighting, just kind of got creative with things. It was fun. It was a good shoot. Probably won't get to start on that until at least for another 2 weeks, because then we're going down with Strange Love to South by Southwest, and so we're driving down to Texas next Tuesday. We're leaving at 4 a.m. It's about a 24-hour drive pretty much, so we're gonna haul down there and we'll be hanging out, performing on Friday, kind of mingling, networking after that, and then making our way back. Should be back Sunday. So I'm pretty much going to be filming kind of, not really a documentary, but behind the scenes of the entire trip, to eventually be used for footage for one of their future singles as well, as part of a music video. So be on the lookout for that. And you look good today. I appreciate you. I was talking to the people, not you.
Awkward.
So, yeah. Other than that, all in all, good shoot. Now we're gonna go eat because I'm hungry.